All right, today I have a Mini Countryman fob key, and I'm going to show you how to use this Mini Countryman 5 fob key. I'm going to show you how to unlock, lock, open the trunk, how to get the key out, how to change the battery on it. All right, a lot going on here, but before I get started, could you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel if you find this video helpful in any way. So here is the Mini Countryman fob key, and I'm going to go through the controls as well as how to get the key, physical key out of it and change the battery. So we're going to start at the top. If you can see at the top, there is a unlock button. If I press this, it unlocks the car, okay? If you go down a little bit, you'll see this middle button right here. This locks the vehicle. So I press that, it will lock the vehicle. And this button right here will open the trunk of the vehicle if I press this button right here. So there is the unlock, the lock, and the open the trunk. Now I'm going to show you how to get the physical key out of the fob. All right, so I'm going to go right here. I'm going to press this button on the side. Do you see this button? I'm going to press that. And when I press that, the fob, the physical key comes out of the fob key, right? And when I want to replace it, all I have to do is go ahead and press this back in like that, snaps back into place and ready to go. Now I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this Mini Cooper fob key. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the same process of pressing this side button right here and getting the key out. And then I'm going to take this and then I'm going to take the key in and just wedge it right here. And I'm going to twist. Actually, yeah, I'm going to twist it. And you see how that popped up right here? That was not supposed to happen. And I'm going to put it in. And that was not supposed to happen. Well, I'm going to have to get back at you about changing the battery because I didn't do something right and this came off. And it looks like I'm going to have to get it repaired. All right. So I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.